Hello. In this video I will begin with the power regulator replacement. Now here we have this original mechanical power regulator. It is still in good condition, but it is a little working and not working, and again working and again not working. So the owner of this vehicle have a lots of problem with the power. So we decided to replace it with this. Now this here is a electronic power regulator. This one is the cheapest on eBay that I could find, and I'm interested in will it work. Now original electronic for this model is around 100. I think it is a 96 euro without postage. So with shipping it is probably 110. Now I'm interested, will this cheap version work? And also I have a problem because this is pretty messed up. There is lots of damage, but it is still in working condition. I don't have original wires. This is all homemade wires, so it is not going to be easy for me to figure out which wire do I need to connect, but I have several schematics for this model of the vehicle and some other models, so I will need to figure out. Now to remove this power generator, we will need to remove this part here. There are chains inside. Release chains, release these two bolts here, and then we can pull it out. So there is also oil inside this compartment, so it's not easy to replace this part. Or if you want to rebuild or repair power generator, you will need to remove lots of parts. It's not easy, and you cannot do it fast. Now the main problem with this regulator is this connector here, and several from this side. So this one is working, it is working okay, but these connectors are already used up, so it is hard to tune it to be in good working condition. You can tune it to work, but then within 1 month or even within 1 week it will not work again. So you would need to have spare new parts of this connector here to be able to repair it and to be in good working condition without any more problems. But that is something that you cannot buy anymore, so the only option is to buy electronic power regulator or try to find a new old stock, which is extremely expensive. You know, it can cost about 150-200 euro. So the idea is to install this part somewhere here. So finally, after testing, it is time to install this part. But just before I install it, this is how it is looking now. There is a very small space between this capacitor and the regulator, so I had to bend this connector. And I managed to install it inside. I cut these parts so it can be installed inside of the power generator, so it will not be visible. Those two bolts are holding this part so it will not fall out. Now it's time to test it, how it is going to work when it is installed on the motorcycle. With the drill I tested and it is working okay, but I cannot test it how long it will work and what is gonna happen after half hour of driving. Will it charge battery or not? So we will have to see what is going to happen. Okay. So the ignition is installed. Let's see what is going to happen. So the green light is on.